How to fix Instagram login issue. In order to fix Instagram login issue, you could try following the steps in order to solve your issue. First thing, you want to make sure to check whether you're connected to a stable internet or not. In some cases, it could be due to the outdated version or it could be due to the poor connectivity. So go to settings on your device, and next you just want to go ahead and click on the network and internet section, and then click on internet. Over here you should be able to see whether the issue has been with the internet or not. Next, you could also double check your username or an email address or a phone number and then the password for any typos. So basically, when you're trying to log in, you could see some error with the information or the credential, so you have to be careful regarding the credential. So here, when you see this, you'll be able to find whether there is an issue with the information that you've provided or not. Despite that, if the issue still persists on, a simple restart can often resolve temporary glitch as well. Or then you could also try updating the app to the latest version. That might also be able to help you out. So this is how you could fix Instagram login issue. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.